Let me start with one of the feature in Power BI called a conditional formatting. So let us see how does the conditional formatting helps us to visualize the data in a more effective and more interactive way. So for that, I want you all to just come to a new page and just work on this sample superstore data. Let us take a table which will have, for example, let us take a product. We have product names and we have, oh, we will look on subcategory. Yeah, I can see the subcategory here, and I'll take a sales and the profit here. So as we can see that sales are around, okay, if you want you can just check it quickly on a card chart. Sales is around 2.3 million, and you can check the profit also by using the card visual. Let me check the profit also. The profit is around 286.4 k thousand. Okay, let me keep it here. So you can see it becomes an interactive and all those things. Now if I want to just sort this, I can just click on this arrow and your data is sorted with the ascending order of your sum of the sales. So at the maximum you got a sales, and you can see the fastness subcategory is having the lowest sales. It's not true with the profit. Obviously there are few subcategories where you are making a loss. For example, tables are making a loss, bookcases are making a loss, suppliers are making a loss, and there are few more subcategories where the profits are very low. So now if I want to figure out, if I want to visualize this, I can apply a conditional formatting for this column also and this column also. So let me apply for the sum of the sales. I am doing a conditional formatting here. So just go to these columns, click on that particular field where you want to apply the conditional formatting, click on it, small arrow, and here you get a conditional formatting option. So you can do conditional formatting by various ways, by looking at the background color, by font color, data bars, icons, or you can use by web URL also. For simplicity, let me take a background color. Let me click on background color. Once you are on the background color, so it will ask you for the format style. By default, let me keep it as a gradient, but you can keep your own rules. You can keep a field value and so on. Let me keep it gradient. And if you look at the colors here, minimum and maximum, it is showing you the lowest as this color, highest as dark color. If you want, you can change that color also. So let me change this. You can change the color you want. So let me pick some other colors for you. Let just to show you that we can change the colors. So let me take green color here and just say okay. So once I click on OK, you can see this say some of the sales column has been changed. So the dark or the color which is green, we can say that okay, it is the highest sales, and as the color goes on decreasing, or the light color, you can say that it is the lowest color. Even though if you change this to a sorting order, you can find out easily that this is making the more sales, this is making the more sales, and so on. So you can change the color also. You can change that color. Like if you, okay, if you want to remove it, you can remove the conditional formatting. You can change the color from, maybe let me keep it dark blue like this, and you can see it has been changed. So now I want you to apply the same conditional formatting for the sum of the profit column, but here the highest profit should be in the green color and the lowest profit should be in the red color, and intermediate should be in the orange color. Just pause and just think, how can you make a conditional formatting for this column with three colors? Pause the video and please try to do the hands-on, guys. Okay, let me do that on the sum of the profit column. Just click on this dot arrow, go to conditional formatting. You can use a font color also. Let me show you by background color, and you can see, as I have told you, for maximum I want a green color. Just let me pick a green color, dark green. That looks good. And for the lowest value I want a red color. Let me pick a red color. Okay, and now I want to add a middle color. I'll just add a middle color, and that should be a orange color. So let me take an orange color like this. It should look good. Now I get a three colors variation. If I click on OK, and you can see now, wherever you see a green color, it is the highest profit. Wherever you see a red color, it is a lowest profit, or might be a loss also. And the orange color is of a lowest profit. You can sort this in the ascending or descending, and you can see all the results. So this is how you can make a conditional formatting. Now, let me quickly remove this conditional formatting for the sales. Let me go here. If I want to remove it, just click on remove the conditional formatting and remove all. So why I have removed it? Because I need to show you how the conditional formatting is done by font color. Let me click on font color, and you can see you get the same thing. Let me click on OK, but only the fonts are changed. You can see the font are changed. I don't think so. Maybe depending on the use case, you might use this. If you want to change the font color, you can do it, or maybe if you want a background color, you can do that also. But I cannot see any numbers here. So for that, you need to format that. Maybe you can format it again, maybe with some background color, or maybe some let me remove this first. Let me remove this, and then let me apply one more conditional formatting called data bars. So let me apply the third type, data bars, and here you can see it is asking you for the lowest value, highest, maximum again. Then let me give you show bars only, and let me click on OK. So here you can see your values are gone, and you can see only the bars. With this bar, you can easily find out that, okay, phones you have the highest sales and so on. So this is one way to represent it in a beautiful way. Inside a table, you can do that. If you want a number with bar, you can do that. Let me cancel out this. Let me do it again by conditional formatting, data bars, and just click on OK. And now you can see with the numbers you got the bars also. You can sort this, and here you can see beautifully the bars inside your table. So this is how you can do a conditional formatting. I hope you understood this, guys. Even you can go deeper into, like, if you want to go, let me remove the data bars, and if you want to get some icons, let me click on some icons, and you can fetch some icons. Like, okay, if the value is greater than 0 to 33%, I should get this symbol, that red symbol. Yeah, if the value is in between 33 to 67%, I should get a orange symbol. And if the value is greater than 67, I call it as a green color. Yeah, it is there already. So let me click on OK, and now you can see depending on the percentage, you are getting the values. So these all falls under the red color. It means that the sales amount is below 33%. This is between 33 and 67. It is above 67. Even you can change that rule also. You can make it to 0 to 10, 10 to 20, 20 to 40, 40 to 80, 80 above. You can do that also. So this is all about the conditional formatting. I hope you enjoyed this, guys. Thank you for watching this video. Keep learning.